Everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing well. So guys, today I'm going to discuss about one of the issues, migration or upgrade. So in this session I'm going to discuss how to approach the database upgrade from the lower to higher version. So before that, I would suggest to each and everyone, whoever new on my channel, please like, do subscribe, and don't forget to share with others. Okay. So now here we have a scenario like you need to upgrade your SQL instance, SQL database from the lower version to upper version. So before that, we need to do the couple of checks that we'll discuss. But one of the major thing, sometimes the application user is not confident to do the upgrade from their side, and as well as the from the database side, because of the some dependency of the application, compatibility level and all. So in that scenario, what we should use actually, so we have a beautiful tool, a database migration assistant, that you can download it and you can install it, and you can check it the database upgrade report, and based on that report you can approach to your application owner as well. This is the report if we go with the from lower to higher version. So this kind of difficulties we found it in a report, and if report is saying the well and good, then we can approach to the application user, as from the database side the database assistant report is saying green signal, so we can go ahead, just check with your application side whether it's any dependency and all. So in this session I will discuss with you how to extract the report. So for that I have already installed the database migration report. You can download it from the Google. It's very easy, and you can install it, and you can, so once let me open the console. So this report is basically very helpful to do the any kind of migration prior. You can check the report, assistant report for the database upgrade. Okay, it's a bit slow, let it open. Yep, it's open now. So this is the console, something look like this actually. And here what you need to do, you need to come to here the plus point, you need to click on that. It will ask you the assistant report. You can give the any project name, something like my upgrade report, something like that I'm giving. Okay, one second. Yes. And then database engine as default, and here also on a target, because you are going to upgrade on a SQL server itself, not Azure database, right? So if you want to go on Azure also, you can change it from the here, and the base obviously legacy is your SQL. So if you want to move the Azure, if you want to the SQL itself, then you can change it. So in this case I'm going to SQL itself, because my instance is on a not on Azure. So just click on a create. Okay, here it will by default the compatibility level issues already checked in, leave it. Here you can change it the version, because I am going to check from the 17 to 19. Okay, if your situation something like that, you are moving from the 12 to 17, 12 to 19, so you can change it. So my case, I'm just want to check on a 19, so just click on a next. Here you need to give the server name. What is the server name of your SQL instance? So let me take the server name. Okay, just put it the server name here, and click on a connect Windows authentication. So all the database will become here. So suppose it's You want to check on all database, or it's a dedicated instance. Definitely all database need to move. If it is a shared data instance, you can check a particular instance. So for the time saving, I am just checking the one database like tech04. If it is dedicated instance, you need to select all the database. If it is shared instance, you can only check those database which you need to migrate. Okay, and click on add, then click on start assistant. So it will take a few minutes to grab all those results, and it will give you the update. So as I can see, there are no compatibility issues with your database. So it's saying the green signal, and the same thing you can export the report from here. On the bottom, click on export report and change the file extension CSV Excel and my report, something like that. My report, whatever you want. Click on a save it. Once you click on a save, you can extract that Excel file. Okay, let me adjust this Excel, minimize it. Hope you can see now the report what it came actually. If you can see here, there is no error, nothing. If it is in error, you can check with your application owner the validation error, anything, and then you can proceed, you can fix it, and then we can proceed for the higher version upgrade. So this report basically it's very helpful prior to your upgrade. You can download it easily, and you can execute the database migration assistant report, and you can share with your application owner also. If it is well and good green, we can go ahead and upgrade the SQL instance. So hope you got my point. This is the prior checks before going to upgrade. These many things need to check actually if it is the very much criticality to go ahead from the application side. So you can share this report also to application owner. So that's it guys for today. Hope you got my point. Please do a try whenever you face the upgrade activity and all. You can also utilize this the tool database migration assistant. It will give you very much helpful things. Okay, so that's it for today. I am just dropping now. We'll meet you soon. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.